Looking to elevate your workout routine? Discover the RUNmax and Gymnastics Power weighted vests. These vests are ideal for calisthenics, running, military preparation, fireman training, or any other fitness activity. Adjustable weights. The RUNmax vest can be customized from 20 to 150 pounds, while the Gymnastics Power vest offers various weights ranging from 6 to 60 pounds. This versatility caters to all fitness levels. Durability. Both vests are constructed with ultra-strong 1000D nylon and double-stitched for long-lasting durability. Comfort. For maximum comfort, the shoulder straps on both vests are padded with TPE foam, ensuring a pleasant experience even during extended workouts. Design. Designed to fit snugly and naturally hug your body, these vests remain secure even during inverted exercises, static holds, and sprints. Enhance strength and endurance. Weighted vests aid in muscle building and calorie burning, accelerating your progress. Boost performance. By incorporating a weighted vest, you can enhance your performance across a wide range of sports and activities. Reduce injury risk. Weighted vests strengthen your joints and muscles, minimizing the risk of injuries. Add challenge and fun to workouts. Weighted vests make workouts more stimulating and enjoyable, helping you stay motivated. To elevate your workouts, the RUNmax and Gymnastics Power weighted vests are an excellent choice. Offering adjustability, durability, comfort, and performance enhancement, these vests will help you reach your fitness goals. Don't miss out on the opportunity to order your weighted vest today. Click the link in the description below to place your order. And remember to use the code YouTube10 at checkout for a 10% discount on your purchase.